as the great man Tekashi69 once said, boys. It's 2019, baby! And from now on, I'm gonna let my nuts hang every day! Well, boys, my New Year's resolution is exactly that. I'm gonna let my nuts hang every day. Now, y'all might be wondering, hey, NameBran, what does that mean? And honestly, it's quite plain and simple. I'm thinking about going buck naked from the waist down all year. I think it's just a new move. I think it's a new high for me, and honestly, I really gotta get comfortable with what I'm rocking down there, which is less than good. And also, screen cap this right now, boys, and delete it if it doesn't come true so I don't feel bad. We will, in 2019, meet Selena Gomez. I think. Probably not, but we'll try. I'm doing it for the boys. What can I say? Also, my last resolution is I just got silly putty for Christmas, and I'd love to make a giant silly putty ball. I think that's a big goal of mine, and I'm gonna start working on it as soon as I get home. But with that being said, man, enough about me. What are your guys' New Year's resolutions? Now, I'm not asking for weight loss comments. Leave them down below regardless, but I'm asking, who would you like to bang mostly in 2019? What is your women goals or men goals? You know, we don't judge here. I just love to know that my boys are getting action if you're of age. Anyway, whoa. But of course, y'all know, man, back in action. We're back in the action with another NameBran video. Now, my trip is actually coming to an end. I got like 2 more days here, and I asked you guys, what do you want to see on my last couple videos on this trip? And it was big, man. It was big one-sided in the way of, one, either NameBran jump off that balcony of yours, which I really don't love. I don't really love that comment at all, actually. But the other one sounded a little doper, so we're probably gonna go with this, which is, NameBran, why don't you go and try to pick up some beach girls? Now, honestly, I think that's a dope idea, and we're gonna do it today. Don't get me wrong, but I think we need a little spin to it, because honestly, I think it's too easy. Just going out talking to beach girls, I'm gonna get all of them. Like, at least if they're like 400 pounds or up, which isn't bad, but, you know, I generally score those a little easier. And when I say those, I mean women who are great. We really gotta stop. Love my women watchers. You guys are awesome. Bad jokes, always. Anyway, I thought today, man, and I actually got prepared for this because I thought this might be a video. We're gonna unbox some cheap chains. Now, one of these is like a free chain from Wish. Another couple of them I just brought props from home to use for this video. Today, boys, it's a no-brainer. We're gonna go pick up girls wearing fake rapper chains so I can gain more confidence and deceive them, mostly. I think deception's a big thing when you don't have game. You know what I mean? You just make it work. You lie. Wow, first thing that we're gonna be wearing today, man, I got this from Standards a while back. I've given these, a couple of these away. I brought this one for a prop. I always keep at least one of the items for a prop. We got the all-out, iced-out silver chain right here. Shout out Standards, man. They don't hook me up with money, per se, but they hook me up with chains, which is great. This thing's fake as all hell, and honestly, it might work. Next up, this one I'm kind of stoked for. This I took out of the packaging because I wasn't sure what it was, and also I didn't want to pack a big box with me traveling to the Dominican Republic. With this, I purchased off Wish for free. Now, I'll have a link down below if I can. And yes, okay. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Alright, so this one was free off Wish. I really want to see if this works, bro. We got the pill. So we got the gold chain right here, and it's just a pill. I just thought this looks cool. I could like wear it and be like, hey, I'm friends with Little Pump. As you can see, I have his friendship charm that he gave me as a necklace for him. So we just got the pill here, and then if you open it up, this thing's kind of icy actually. This thing's kind of cool. If you open it up, you can put your medicine in it if you need to, or any good thing that you should put in one of these. You should put good things in. Really try not to get demonetized. Boys, do whatever you want. Don't do whatever you want. Wow, 2019's changed a boy, man. I might be a little dumber actually in 2019. This is crazy. Next thing, I brought this as a prop. I can't remember where this is from. This might have been from the Amazon video. I really can't remember. But we got this iced out watch right here. Honestly, girls are really, especially here, because this is a very expensive resort. I've seen a lot of girls with like, dudes, like, I'm not trying to be mean here, but dudes that for sure have money, if you catch what I'm saying. So a lot of these girls are really into the money here. It's a no-brainer. I'm just being factual. So I think we're gonna wear this one right here, which is real dope. This one, I've given away one of these like it, if not one of these exactly. I keep rebuying this stuff, so I have more, or buying multiples. This one we'll give away actually in the video, because I'm gonna be done with this prop. If you guys wanna win this, all you guys gotta do is leave a thumbs up down below and comment. And just remember, it was worn by NameBran, so it's worth less money, I guess now, but just take it. It's still free. And with that being said, the last piece of deception we're gonna be wearing today, boys. I just unboxed this. If you guys haven't seen the video, the videos haven't been super highly viewed on this trip. I think a lot of people are just busy at this time. It'll start to come back. Leave a comment down below once again. It really helps. We just unboxed this with the Tupac merch video. Now, I've already picked the winner for this. I asked him if I could use it for a prop because I probably knew I was gonna be doing this video, not gonna lie. So the last one, this is icing on the cake, the Tupac. I think it was like $28 chain from Amazon. Honestly, boys, let's see how this works. With that being said, next intro, that's sick. So my cousin's about to come over. I do want to tell you guys, if you guys didn't see the video where we've already done a public stunt here, I'm gonna be using my earpods or AirPods or whatever, big meme I guess in 2019, to be able to film these clips, to be able to film my audio, and then this is like a public thing. The audio is a little shoddy on it, so just forgive me. Just watch a couple clips of it and you'll get used to it. That's all we have right now. The mic I usually use for these public clips broke on my trip, which really sucks. So anyway, get used to that. I'm sorry, boys. Without being said, oh my God, is that the door? I think my cousin's here. Tell me, film. Demo! Demo, are you serious? Always, man. Again, buddy, missed the cue. What's going on?
Just watching this Selena Gomez.
Selena Gomez interview. Okay, so I was mad at you before. Now I'm actually fucking pissed off at you for taking my girl. Get inside, please. Let's go. All right, boys, we're getting ready. We got the chain on. This is looking pretty good.
It looks alright.
Yeah?
Jesus, you good?
I just felt my coolness go from 1 to 2 really fast while I put this on. Is it noticeable in my ego?
It's not a big difference.
It's not?
No.
Oh, I knew I came to the right place. Do you have any awards in here for the hottest man alive? No? Ah, that's crazy. What do you think about this, sweetheart? Oh, I'm taking pictures of myself as I do this because I think I look good in every scenario. What do you think about that? That's nice, right? Yeah, you want to go out to dinner later?
No.
No dinner? What is it about me? Did I come off too weak or? I love your store, thank you. I'm not used to this, I'm sorry. That sucked. Oh boy. Oh boy. How are you guys doing? Good, chains on my neck, it ain't nothing. So I got a quick question. I'm dating a Playboy model. She's really hot, she's got big, and you can see why I'm dating her because I have a lot of this. So I'm just looking at, do you have any like condoms here or like things that could maybe make my wiener look bigger than it already is? Don't get the wrong impression, it's huge for sure.
Oh my God.
Do you work here? I'm kind of a baller, you know what I mean? I make lots of money, and usually when I come in here, I win jackpots. I feel like you won a jackpot with me. English? Money, lots of money.
Nine?
I'm a girl. To appreciate the money that I have and let me know that I'm doing greater and greater every day.
No.
Okay.
Can I give you an understanding?
Oh, okay. It's okay. Just know, I guess this is farewell between both of us, and it was great to meet you. Gracias. And I'll think about you quite a bit. And I'm sure you will me too. Thank you. How are you guys doing?
What the hell you wear, bro?
What do you mean with the hell? Money around my neck. How's that sound? Do you like that? Yeah, it's real. Yeah. It's real. You know how much it is? 100 grand. 50 grand. Okay, listen. 32 grand. Okay? Here's the last one. 5,000 G's. Right here. I'm doing it big. Excuse me, miss, because I have the cheapest shot you own. The cheapest shot, please. And you know what? I'll buy a round for anyone that needs one. I got you guys covered. Don't worry. Don't worry. Yeah.
Get all that money, forget it.
I ball out with my balls out. How's that sound? Hey, cheers to my fans. Eh? Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. That one's for the boys, let me tell you that. It's been great knowing you guys. Hey.
Don't flash that around. Put that stuff away. What's your name? Nico. I'm Nico.
I'm, boss. I let my nuts hang with these, you know what I mean? I got big bank around my neck. That's expensive. You like that? You like that? I'm expensive. Gotta put it back in. Well, boys, we're getting escorted out right now. That's how it goes. Sometimes you gotta do it for the boys, and yeah, he's a good pal of mine though, so he's treating us well through this whole process. Well, boys, we're back. I thought it might go a little bit longer today. I tried to get as many clips as possible. However, I got kicked off of this resort, over in this direction 2 days ago, and now I got kicked off of that resort over in that direction today. So I'm trying not to push it too hard. I think my last video might be really dope if I get kicked off of this one and then they send me packing my bags going home. So I really wish to get more clips, but that's how it is. You gotta ball out with your balls out, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, I'm gonna let my nuts hang always. 2019, we're letting our nuts hang. We're getting Selena Gomez. We're gonna put out bangers. Hopefully I just like don't get kicked out of everywhere I go again. I'm actually thinking about moving to the States, if you guys don't know, because Canada's not been so great for me. So anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Just another trip vlog, whatever. I'm trying to make what I can work while I'm here. We're back to our regular scheduling on Saturday or Sunday. So, see you guys soon. Appreciate y'all for watching. Marking the game, the greatest of all time, y'all. The GOATs. Blow.